Hello. Good morning to everybody. Yes, other day I had discussed about the privatization in the public, academic, education and medical sector by the Modi government heading BJP. And I had very specifically told such action in a country like India, where more than 80 crore people are living below poverty line, and with the world's largest technical manpower available in the country, is going to be disastrous. First of all, I will try to give you an in-depth study about the creation of the public sector in 1947. Afterwards, we became independent, and the founding leaders, especially Pandit Nehru, he was the champion of public sector. The reason behind this was, at the time of partition, we had practically very few industries. And their industries were also not technologically advanced. So we were much behind the world as far as the technology and employment potential is concerned. So what we had thought of is, in every field we had to seek the help and cooperation of the developed countries to bring our country to a level where we can be one of the best in the world. As far as the talent is concerned, as far as the brain is concerned, Indian people have got the best talent and the best available skill. But unfortunately, because we were being ruled by English, by Britishers, they hardly spent any money for development of the country, and that's in line with that. The government came forward, especially it was the brainchild of Pandit Nehru, and of course, with the cooperation of various political parties, leaders, the government embarked upon public sector in various fields. In education, they started IITs, NITs. Previously, the NITs used to be called regional engineering colleges. And in the public sector, they started various industries, and like SAIL, in collaboration with various countries, especially Russian. They were our technological partners. They had done, you see the massive steel plant which has come out at Bhilai, Durgapur, Rourkela, and likewise there are so many other sectors, where the places where these steel plants have come. And by the creation of that steel plant, the employment to the local people in lakhs and lakhs have come up. Now you see, even the Tatas have done a good job. Tatas, you can claim they are as good as public sector. They are not money making. They are not at all money making. They have done a good job for the nation, and they were the first people, those who had started this Air India also. When it came to our people, it was only a mismanagement, totally mismanagement. And that, again, we have to sell it back to Tatas. Now you will see after a few period of time. Of course, they are private sector, but certainly they are as good as public sector. It was a political mess created by our political leaders that it became sick to that extent that we had to sell it back to Tatas. But now you see the employment potential. You go to any public sector, you go to any IIT. Do you think, can you quote me even a single private sector institution where that level of employment has been created? You go to Bhilai, they have built a town city. There are railway stations, buses are plying. There are large number of schools which have come up within the steel plant to cater to the needs of the employees of the steel plant as well as the people staying there. The general development, general level of progress has been tremendous. It It is fantastic. And now you go to any aircraft industry where we were in 1947 and 50s as far as aircraft industry is concerned. It was wonderful. It was wonderful, you know. Now you see today, we have been able to make a light combat aircraft. Light combat aircraft means light combat aircraft that people, those who are blaming us and criticizing us, they were telling license LCA means license, collaboration and agreement. It is not a license, collaboration and agreement. It is a pure 100% indigenous product, and it is the world-class aircraft. It is the vision and the mission of the people that has shown us this day. And to kill this venture, it is disastrous. Now I will continue my lecture again tomorrow. Till then I will request all of you, those who are viewing this, kindly subscribe to my channel, like it,